you over there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Are you an alcoholic?
Yeah, I guess so.
Do you like those limited, expensive bourbons, but don't have the time or money to look for them?
Please?
Are you also severely autistic?
I'm autistic as shit.
I'm gonna show you how to make your very own Pappy Van Winkle in 5, 6, maybe 12 easy steps. Okay, boys, so we start off simple. First, you're gonna have to go into your basement and find your empty whiskey barrel. Everybody's got one. If you don't find it, you're just not looking hard enough. Alright, so you're gonna want to drag that bad boy outside. Remember, whiskey barrels are heavy, so always ask a friend for help.
Oh! Can you help me out with this?
No.
World's strongest man. Come on, Pop. Let's go.
The guy's been telling us for decades that the mean average distance for a lethal confrontation is 7 yards.
Okay, now if your barrels are old and crusty like this guy, you're gonna want to give him a good wash. And don't worry about the rust, it adds flavor.
This might be a problem.
Alright, just scrub the outside, and once you're good, you gotta fill up the inside with a little bit of water. Alright, so there's a little bit of cool science behind this. See, we fill up the inside of the barrel with water because when the wood on the inside and on the outside get wet, it tends to expand. Like your mom.
Got it.
And when it's been dry for as long as this one has, you gotta leave it soaking for a while. You're just gonna pop up that little top bung. Yeah, maybe need a screwdriver for that one. And just start filling her up.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Some dummy put a nail in it. Jesus Christ.
That was probably you, stupid. Alright, now you gotta adjust those big metal rings on the sides. You're gonna wanna get a hammer and a little bit of patience and start hammering those guys towards the center till it's all tightened up. Either way, you're probably still gonna have some leaks after a couple of days.
Everything's going pretty good, up to plan. As you can see, there's no leaks. That's just because we're lucky, and there's nothing to worry about. God, that shit is like it's not even staying. It's like this is supposed to stay like sealed. I don't know what's wrong with it. Hey, don't zoom in on that. That's not, you're not supposed to see that. Stop it.
This is where the beeswax comes in. First, you get a fat candle, and then you just drip the beeswax all over the leaks. Doesn't matter. Just keep rolling it over and dripping it till it's all full.
Okay, boys. So, future me said that it was just as easy as waxing the barrel. Turns out it's not that easy at all. So, what we gotta do is we have to wax the whole barrel. Like, everything. All of this part here that you see, it's all wax. I've waxed most of it already. But I've got to wax this top, and I'm going to show you how it's done, so you can, you know, understand the torture. Ah, fuck! I fucked it up. Okay, so what I normally do is I got the big chunk, and I just blow it in there. Alright, after you get the first bit of wax, what I like to do is go a little softly and just kind of burn it a little extra. Get it spread out a little bit. What you also got to do is you can get the wax and just rub it in so that it gets into the cracks that are over here. See, I got a big leak right over here, so I'm going to put most of my wax in there.
Alright, after you're done with that, now you just buy the alcohol.
Wait a sec. Wait. Okay, wait, hold on a sec. We have a logistical issue. This shit's fucking big.
Okay, so we have a bit of an issue. So the barrel is 53 gallons. We convert that to liters, that's about 200 liters or so?
I thought this was supposed to be a budget solution.
Alright, chill. Hold on. Okay, before we get up in arms, I do have a solution. Just fill it with shit. A barrel is just wood, so if you put more wood in the barrel, it's just more wood in the barrel. Wait, what did I just say? Typically, bourbon uses American oak to age spirits, but because nothing is sacred, I'm just going to use whatever I find outside, and I'm also going to add coffee beans and vanilla beans. Okay, so now comes the part where we gotta decide what we're gonna age. We don't want just any old bourbon. I mean, anybody could get like some fucking moonshine and put it in, but it's gotta be from Buffalo Trace. Otherwise, it's not pappy.
Now bring him to Daddy, or Daddy gets upset that Daddy don't have the pappy.
What's pappies? I don't know. I don't fucking even know what it tastes like. Does anyone know if it's good? Has anyone actually bought a bottle? No, never. But does that matter? Also no. So starting from Buffalo Trace, we have Buffalo Trace. It's normal, decently easy to find, and then you have Eagle Rare. It's a little more up there, a little more expensive, and a little harder to find.
Right there.
And going up further from there, next we got Blanton's.
Hold up, I got this. Ah!
Alright, and after that, you got your Pappy Van Winkles. But if you've been paying close attention, you notice there's a missing link.
Here's our missing link. See that? Premium spirits.
It's an old whiskey named Benchmark.
Take a look at that one.
As far as I'm concerned, this is basically baby Buffalo Trace, and it's cheap enough to fill up the barrel. Well, maybe a little bit. We got some, let's get to filling.
Okay, boys, so good progress and not so good progress. So far, it's holding water. It's holding a lot of water, actually. Check it out. See? I don't know about you guys, but when I'm wasting this much water, I tend to feel pretty bad, you know? I always give back to the community. You get some. You get some. Yeah. Got our benchmark, and we're ready to start filling. I got the wood on this side over here, and I got the coffee beans somewhere else. I lost them, but I'll figure that out later. So, I got a couple cases of Benchmark. I've never tried this. I don't even know if it tastes good. Kind of smells like bourbon though, so let's just start. We can even just, yeah, just kind of. Know what I mean? It already smells good. None of it really gets into my mask, so I can't really taste it. And I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it's great. Okay, I got wood. I think I was supposed to wash it. But they say good seasoned wood is just outside chilling, and that's exactly what this is. It was just outside chilling. In you go. I didn't do this right. Hold on. If you drink this, you have an issue. But I'm gonna put a little bit in, see if it upgrades our flavor a little bit. You know what I mean?
Anyways, while this is sitting around, what's a rare bourbon without the label? For my label, I've been cooking up an idea that's as interesting as it is confusing.
Introducing ultra-limited bourbon, Wrath of the White Man. Elegant and smooth, this whiskey is aged for up to 6 hours in our finest whiskey barrel. Approved for bottling after a master distiller deems it worthy.
See? Now I have my very own Pappy Van Winkle. No, it's rarer than Pappy Van Winkle. Rarer than Blanton's. I have the most rare liquor now. You know why? Because you can't even find me to come get it. Oh, look, there's a lovely customer right here. Waiting to come try some. I said you want to come try some liquor, some whiskey.
Is it free?
Bourbon. Yeah, it's free. Come here. Here you go.
A little taste.
Tell me what you think. Opinions. This is the new line of bourbon. Wrath of the White Man coming to you.
Wow. How exclusive.
Yeah, very exclusive.
Ugh.